Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the connection problem with your Lenovo headphones. Okay, so first of all I can recommend you to power off Bluetooth on your device, and next just be sure that your earbuds are turned off. Right now we are going to activate the pairing mode manually, so we have to click and hold this button until the indicator right here start blinking quickly, white and the blue. Let's make it right now. Keep holding. When you feel vibration, you have to release, and then turn on the Bluetooth. Now just wait until your device pops on the list. Select. Accept pairing request. Okay, and as you can see right now it's working. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.